Hi-ho, Keegan the Vlog here. Welcome back to the channel. We have 2 weeks until Radwood. People, we've got a lot of work to do on a Mark II Volkswagen Jetta. So let's get up to the shop and get into it. Got door card off of the driver's side because the fabric was loose at the bottom, and it turns out the whole door card is just disintegrated down here at the bottom, as you can see. So what I have here, PVC board, 3 millimeters thick, and the idea here is custom builders use this stuff to build custom door cards. I'm gonna see if I can repair this door card, because I can find these things online, but they're hundreds of dollars, and we only bought the car for $700. So I'm not trying to restore this car, but I would like it to be as good as it can be, if that makes sense. And if we can fix this for a few bucks, make it more presentable for just a few dollars, then that's great. Let's do that. Well, I think what I'm gonna do is take the passenger door card off, template it, and just flip it over. Let's get into it. The bottom of this one is mostly intact, so there is a little bit of water damage on there, but it's not terrible. The other one is just gone. So let's see what we can do here. Okay, the glue has set up here. So now all I have to do is figure out where to bend this piece back and get the glue.
Get the glue.
We're out of glue.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, switching gears to the grill, what we're going to do is get this trim piece off so we can strip the paint and repaint it. It's got more rock chips in it than it does paint left. All right, I managed to get that piece off without doing too much damage. I think I got this one. That tab right there is not broken off, but not great. But the rest of them are in good shape. The whole bottom clip section of this is in good shape. It's the top. It's missing the one there, one there, one there, one there, one there. So there's no. Actually, that's not true. There's one. This one is intact. But that's the only one. So we're going to have to make sure we do something to hold this grill at the top when we put it on. Actually, we might not even bother to do that, because I'll probably run with the one that's on there now, the one that you can get copies of, not this one. We'll leave this one in the trunk and stick it on in the parking lot of Radwood. So when you see it at Radwood, it'll have the correct grill on it. And hopefully we can get this cleaned up and painted so it doesn't look like holy hell.
She walked out the door alone. The air was dry and cold, and so was her heart from all the years of breathing in. She comes quite well armed with books. The journal is so full of all the thoughts and ideas she never shared. Through her hair, the wind unrestrained. She knew right then the dam was gonna break.
Okay, not wanting to do any damage to the already crappy paint, we're gonna get a bit of a tutorial. At least somebody who's done it before.
She knew right then the dam was gonna break. She walked out the door in love with her secret self and followed her gonna break. It's no mistake going undisciplined. She knew right then the dam was gonna break.
I could not be happier with the way this car is looking. Look at that. And that's just with the cutting compound. We haven't gone with the polishing compound yet. So just wow, just wow. Big thanks to Jerome for the instruction. Big thanks to Ivan for the elbow grease. Hope to see some of the viewers up at RADWOOD Philly here in a couple weeks. Subaru Park, May 21st, 2022. Come say hi. Thanks for watching. See you next time.